This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. So it comes with like a focus attachment and also a nice size diffuser, which I'm going to demo later. I love this storage bag. It's so soft and high quality. Now I love how the attachment actually attaches to the dryer. It's like a magnet. No force, stays on, just really cool. So I'm going to be putting this mousse in my hair for helping to create the curls with the diffuser. Now I've already added my leave-in conditioner and my heat protectant, and the mousse is just to aid in creating the curls and to help keep them nice and bouncy throughout the day. I love the operation of this dryer. It's a simple one button, but you can cycle through different temps. Blue is nice and cool, and then you've got green, which is a medium warm heat, and then you've got the red that gets really hot. So for my styling today, I'm just going to use the green setting, which is nice and warm, so that it's just enough heat to dry and curl the style. I love how the dryer feels in my hand. Even the sound of it is rather soothing. It's not jarring like most blow dryers. So it didn't take me any time at all to get going with the drying, and I like the way it turned out. I really like this dryer. I'm going to continue to use it, and if you're on the fence about it, you should give it a try.